Welcome back to the channel. So Harbor Freight has got some more coupons to take advantage of this weekend. So they got the Hello Spring coupons. This is going to be good until April 27th. And they also got Dollar Days going on. This is going to be good until the 23rd. So let's go ahead and jump into these coupons, see what they got to offer. So we'll check out the Dollar Days. Here's an item I just picked up today. These are the Gordon utility blades, 10 pack, only $1. And limit 4 on these. So I ended up picking up 4 packs. Really good deal there. They got the magnetic 3-piece clip set. Let's see what else they got. Here's another item I picked up was the retractable razor blade with scraper. And this actually comes with some extra blades also. Only $2 for that. They got the Avani 6-inch paint roller frame for $2. Pittsburgh diagonal cutters, only $2 for that. We got the blowgun by Merlin for $3. Got some fittings. Here they got the 158-piece assortment wire connectors, only $3 for that. We got some safety glasses. All the way to the right here, we got the 12-inch ratcheting bar clamp for $4. These come in real handy when you're doing projects. Got the camouflage tarp for $4. Then we got the Pittsburgh 40-piece 3/8 and 1/4-inch drive socket set. So not too bad, only $5 for this. This is nice to have just to throw in maybe your vehicle. They also got the US General non-slip solid liner, 18-inch by 72-inch. If you want to dress up your toolbox, $5 for that. And then here's another item that I've picked up in the past. Comes in really handy for small electronics, is the Pittsburgh 34-piece screwdriver set, only $6 for that. So not a bad deal there. And then we're going to jump into the Hello Spring coupons. Like I said earlier, this is until April 27th, and this is fairly new. So we got air tools and compressors. So here's the Fortress 30-gallon 175 PSI truck bed job site air compressor. Knocking $300 off on this, bringing it down to $1,700. Pretty decent deal there. We got the Chief long barrel air hammer, $20 off on that. Central Pneumatic 3/4-inch twin hammer impact wrench, 1,000 foot-pounds for $130. $50 off on that one. Pretty good deal. Now, if you guys are looking for a hose reel, this is one of the very first hose reels I've ever gotten. It's a manual hose reel. It's not retractable, but for $20, not a bad pickup if you guys are on a budget. This is a pretty good deal here. Got some air compressor oil for $8, and then we got the Baxter air sander 6-inch for $80. They got the rubber air hose for $60. It's 100 foot. I prefer the hybrid hose, but these will do the job. And then all the way to the right here, we got the Chief air die grinder. This was $50 with this super coupon, $40 for that. And then we got the 1/4-inch extended air die grinder by Chief for $50. That was $70. Jump into some Automotive. They got the shop towel by Grant. Good pickup there for $9. We got the code reader for $100. They got the 5-gallon gas can for $19. Really hate the safety devices on these gas cans, but if you need one, that's pretty much how they're being sold now. All of them have this safety device on there. So $19 for that. We got some fuses, 60-piece assortment for $6. Then all the way to the right here, we got the magnetic towing light kit for $27. They also got the trailer tire for $135, $15 off on that. Pretty good deal here is the tongue box for $90. So you're getting $30 off on that. And then we got the drop leg electric trailer jack. This was $230, so $30 off on that one for $200. Got the truck rack, another $30 savings there for $270. We got the jumper cables for only $8. Always good to have those in your car. And then we'll jump into the generator and plumbing. Not much here. They do have the spray nozzle for $100. It's 100 foot. And then we got some hand tools. So Icon 3/4-inch. 600 foot-pound click torque wrench, $380 for this. This was $400. And then all the way to the right, another Icon item is the 3/4-inch drive breaker bar. It's a 36-inch, $20 savings on that, down to $80. And then we got the 11-inch long reach needle nose pliers. These were $21.99. Brought the price down to $16. We got the 1/2-inch Quinn low profile ratchet, $20 for that. Not a bad deal. Got some lighting and specialty. So we got the 50-foot extension cord indoor outdoor for $13. Got some wire. Got the headlamp by Braun for $20, 700 lumen. We got the 3-way staple gun kit for $8. And then they got the 24-pack of Thunderbolt batteries. I prefer the blue ones, but if you're buying for $5, not too bad. And then another extension cord by Vanguard. This is the 50-foot for $35. Jump into some material and handling. So we got the Hardy gloves, $7 for that. Moving blanket for $14. Portable work stand for $20. Those come in really handy. We got the 3-inch caster for $5. Let's see, jump into some outdoor. So it looks like we got the hose for $30. Got some tarps here. So we got the extreme duty weather resistant, $27. We got the all-purpose for $49. And then we got the reflective tarp for $7.50. Jump into some power tools. We got the Hercules Impact Driver bit set, $16.99 for that. Nice discount there, was $22.99. And then we got some Grant polishing pads here. So if you guys are looking to polish up your vehicle for the summer, they got the 5-inch, 6-inch, and then the 3-inch. Shop and garage, they got the 20-ton floor shop, $200. Kind of the going price, sale price for that. Bauer accessory kit for the vac for $20. Not a whole lot going on there. They do have the sharpening stone for $2.29. And we got some storage here. So US General plier rack. Not too bad if you want to organize your pliers in your toolbox for $13. Side tray for the 5-drawer for $20. Got the Hercules 17-inch tool tote for $28. These are real nice. And then we got the Bauer 18-inch rolling tool bag for $70. And then we got welding and machinery. So we got the torch kit for $330. Got some welding wire by Vulcan for $30. Got the spring clamp. These come in real handy, only 89 cents. And then we got some more welding wire for Vulcan. So that's just a quick run through of the current coupons that they got going on at Harbor Freight. The dollar days, which end on the 23rd, and then the Hello Spring coupons. Those are going to end on the 27th. So just want to do a quick run through of the coupons for you guys. Keep you guys updated. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.